We'll guide you through how to use two Bluetooth headphones on one PC or laptop at the same time. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and listen to your sound with a friend. Go and press search at the bottom and type in settings. Go to the left and press Bluetooth and devices. And what you need to do is make sure you've gone and added them. So press add device and Bluetooth and go and pair them. You can see I already have. Now we need to get an app. So go and open up your web browser. The app you need to get is called Virtual Audio Cable. So go and search for it. Here it is at the top here. You can go and press download at the top and then press download VAC. It'll go and download, find the installer in your downloads, run it like any other application. Press system to the left, go and find sound. You need to go and select line 1, virtual audio cable, press search at the bottom and go and type in audio repeater MME. This will go and open up. You select wave out and go and select one of the Bluetooth headphones. Go to your taskbar, right click on it and go and open up another audio repeater, and then wave out, you need to go and select the other ones. This one here, that's it. What you then need to do is go and press start, and when you play sound, it'll come through them both.